हेलो एवरीवन वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज आम डिस्कसन करवा प्रीवियस क्लास जो छाड़ी सेठू नॉर्थ अमेरिकार। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हाउ मेनी फुल्ली इंडिपेंडेंट कंट्रीज हैज नॉर्थ अमेरिका? 23। नेक्स्ट द लार्जेस्ट थर्ड लार्जेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट आफ्टर एशिया एंड अफ्रीका होची नॉर्थ अमेरिका। व्हिच कंट्री हैज द लॉन्गेस्ट कोस्ट लाइन इन द वर्ल्ड? कनाडा। Which is the second largest country in area in the world? Canada. Which country population wise third largest in world? USA. Next. Which country which country area wise fourth largest in world? USA. Which country is the largest sweet water lake in world? Lake of Superior. Which country is the largest producer of newsprint in the world? Canada. Which canal connects the Atlantic and Pacific Ocean? Panama Canal. The largest island in the world है Greenland. Where is the Great Canyon situated? California বা Long George. Next. Where the where the record of highest temperature? Furnace Creek Rank, California. Where the famous Nigeria Falls are located? Between USA and Canada. The most important river of North America? Mississippi. What is the Grand Banks? Fishing ground. The country Cuba of North America is known for sugar bowl. The longest road of the world है Trans Canada Highway. Next. Where the Red Indians inhabited North America? Next. The longest mountain range of North America, Rocky Mountains. Which canal separates North America from South America? Panama Canal. Which continents of the world known for New World? North America. The largest bay of the world है Hudson, Canada. Which two countries of the world have the longest common boundary? Canada. The original inhabitant of Canada है Eskimos. Next. Largest city of USA, New York. The most busiest seaport in the world, New York, USA. The largest railway junction of world, Chicago, USA. An important city of the USA, Los Angeles, is famous for film production. Which city of the USA famous for software and computer oriented industry? San Francisco. Which city of the USA famous for automobile production? Detroit. Which city of USA largest center of iron and steel? Petersburg. Which country in the world is the largest producer of meat? USA. What is the most important cash crops of USA? Cotton. Which country is the world is the largest producer of soybean? USA. Next, South Africa is South America. How many country has South America? 13 country. Next, which continent fifth largest continent in world? South America. Highest point of South America Mount Aconcagua 6960 meter in Argentina रे अछि. The lowest point of South America Valdez Peninsula minus 39.9 meter. The most important desert of South America Atacama and Patagonia desert. The highest active volcano in world is Cotopaxi. Paxi. The only landlocked country in South America is Paraguay and Bolivia. The temperate grassland of South America are called pampas ba alfalfa grasses. Next, which continent triangular in shape? South America. The highest waterfall of the world is Angels Fall in Venezuela, Orinoco River. The largest river in the world is the Amazon at volume capacity. The longest mountain range of the world is Andes mountain ranges. The highest freshwater lake of world is Titicaca is in Bolivia. Which desert is the driest place of earth? Atacama desert. Next. Which is the largest rainforest in the world? The Amazon rainforest. The highest airport and the capital of Bolivia is La Paz. Which is known as the coffee bowl of world? Brazil. Which is the country passes through both equator and tropic of Capricorn? Brazil. Next. Which country is the world is the largest producer of coffee? Brazil. Next. What is alfalfa? A nitrous gases found in South America. From where the Amazon river rises and in which ocean it falls? The Andes mountains and fall in Atlantic Ocean. The largest reservoir of the fresh water on Earth's surface is in South America. In which continent mahogany and ebony trees are found? South America. Which country in the world ranks first in the iron ore production? Brazil. Next. Which continent in the world is known as the continent of monkeys and birds? South America. Next. Europe. How many countries has Europe? 46. The world's largest island belongs to Denmark is Greenland. Which is the second smallest continent in world in area? Europe. A group of 9 countries is known as Balkan states. A group of 3 countries known as Baltic states: Estonia, Lithuania, Latvia. Scandinavian countries are Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Denmark. Which is known as the Key of Baltic? Copenhagen, capital of Denmark. Which country is known as the land of forest and lakes? Finland. Which is the largest river of Europe? Volga, Russia रे अछि. Which is the smallest country in world? Vatican City, Rome, Italy. Next. Which is the longest mountain range of Europe? Alps mountain. Which is the highest mountain peak of Europe? Mount El- Elborz. Which is the longest river of Europe? Volga. Which is the second longest river of Europe? Danube. What is Dogger Bank? Rich fishing ground. Next. Which continent in Europe is the largest producer of iron and steel? Russia. On which river the city of London situated? The Thames. Where is the Buckingham Place is situated, London. In which city Eiffel Tower situated? Eiffel Tower, London. Eiffel Tower ହେଲା ଲଣ୍ଡନ କି ପ୍ୟାରିସ୍? ପ୍ୟାରିସ୍ରେ ଏଫିଲ୍ ଟାୱାର ତ ପ୍ୟାରିସ୍ରେ ଅଛି, ଏଟା ଭୁଲ ଅଛି ମେ ବି। ନେକ୍ସଟ, where the Louvre Museum situated and Mona Lisa is displayed? Paris. Which state separated Russia and USA? Bering Strait. Which is the world's deepest lake? Lake Baikal of Russia. Which is the longest railway in the world? Trans-Siberian Railway. Which continent known as continents of continents? Europe. Next, what separate UK from France? English Channel. Which is the most beautiful city of world? Paris. 0 degree latitude pass through which place of England? Greenwich, near London. Which city of England is known as Black Country? Birmingham. Next, which wine of France is famous in world? Champagne. Champagne na champagne haba. Which country of the world is spread over 2 continents? Russia. Europe रे मध्य एशिया रे अछि. Which country is called a land of wine and beauty? France. Which river is the busiest inland trade and transport route? Rhine. Which country is called the basket of bread in Europe? Ukraine. Which country is called the country of vineyard? France. Next, Australia. Which is the smallest continent of world? Australia. Which is the highest peak of Australia? Mount Kosciuszko, 2228 meter. Which is the lowest point of Australia? Lake Eyre, minus 15.8 meter. Which continent the Tropic of Capricorn runs middle Australia? Next, which is the only continent lies between Pacific and Indian Ocean? Australia. Which continent is known as Forgotten Land? Australia. How many states in Australia? 6 states. Australia has discovered by Captain James. Which continent is the largest producer of bauxite? Australia. Next, which is the largest city of Australia? Sydney. Which continent is the best producer and exporter of merino wool in the world? Australia. Next, which animal is found in Australia? Kangaroo. The world's longest coral reef is called Great Barrier Reef. Which continent has the largest number of sheep in the world? Australia. What type of forest Australia has? Tropical forest. In which country artesian oil are found? Australia. Which breed of the sheep is Australia produce the best quality of wool? Morina. In which city of the Australia has Opera House is located? Sydney. Who was the first European to discover New Zealand? Abel Tasman. The New Zealand are also known as Kiwis. The highest peak of New Zealand is Mount Cook, 3754 meter. Which country is associated with kiwis? New Zealand. Which city is the capital of New Zealand? Wellington. What is the population of Australia? 25.72 million 2020 ରେ। Next, Antarctica. Antarctica was discovered in 1820. Who was the first person to reach South Pole in Antarctica? Ronald Amundsen. Which continent is called the continent of for science? Antarctica. Which is the only active volcano on Antarctica? Mount Erebus. Next, which is the highest peak of Antarctica? Mount Vinson, 5140 meters. Which continent also known as the white continent? Antarctica. Which place of the world coldest? Vostok -95 degrees Celsius. Who was the first Indian to reach Antarctica? Ramachandraji in 1960. Ramchandraji. Who was first Indian reach South Pole? Colonel J.K. Bajaj. Who are the native of Antarctica? Penguin. Last question, world geography. Which continent is completely frozen? Antarctica. Thank you so much, and next part रो आमे इंडियन ज्योग्राफी डिस्कशन करिबा। थैंक यू सो मच।